hotter up here, and it's not covered in water. It feels so weird. Let's see what it's like. Wow, there's sure a lot of houses here. And there's a castle. Maybe that's where he lives. I have to go check out that castle. I just have to. I'm so excited. Queen Lania, King Lance, your son has returned. Thank goodness. We were starting to get worried sick, weren't we, Lance? Yes, we were. Bring him in. Hello, Mother. Hello, Father. Prince Peyton, how dare you try to run away like that? If you ever try to pull anything like that again, you will be in serious trouble. I understand. I'm sorry. Normally I would tell you to go up to your bedroom, but we have to have a word with you. Take a seat. You have just turned 18, and now is the time for you to think about choosing a wife. We have sent out invitations to all the female women in the land who would like to marry you. You will dance one dance with every single one of them. Whoever's dance you think is the best will be your new wife. But no buts. Now go up to your room. Excuse me once again, Your Majesties. You have a visitor. Let them in. Yes, King Lance. Hello? Who are you? My name is Indigo. Princess Indigo. Princess? Well, Ivy, go give her some royal treatment. Yes, Your Majesty. Come, Indigo, with me.